Hello everyone, welcome to Hind Institute of Medical Sciences, Mau, Ataria, Sitapur. So, if I tell about this college is situated on NH24 and has commenced its MBBS education from back in 2015. It has produced number of batches and right now the latest batch is of HIMSS 2020. So, today with this video, I and my juniors will be telling you about the specialties of our college and why you should choose this college in the counseling. So let me give you a glimpse of our academic block, which you can see just behind me. This is our academic block of Hind Institute of Medical Sciences, and the nearest airport from our college is around 60 km, which is the Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport, and the railway station is around 48 km. Because it is the only tertiary care center in the range of 50 kilometers, we have a ample of patient loads which will be discussed, and you will see why you should choose our college in this counseling. So let's begin our campus tour with my juniors. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Abhay Sharma, first year MBBS student of Hind Institute of Medical Sciences, Sitapur. During my hunt for medical college, I found Hind Institute to be the best medical college for me because of its extremely dedicated faculty which guides us at every step to become an Indian medical graduate. Along with the faculty, we also have great academic facilities to read us better and also a great clinical exposure in the OPDs. After spending 1 year in this college, I can proudly say that my decision to choose Hind Institute was the best.
Hello, I am Aditya Sachdeva, a first year MBBS student at Hind Institute of Medical Sciences, Sitapur. I gave NEET UG in 2020. As the result was out, I inquired about all the colleges according to the merit, and I decided to take Hind Institute of Medical Sciences as my career option because the academics and faculties here are very good. The teachers are very dedicated towards the studies. Secondly, the patient flow and clinical exposure here are very good as compared to the other medical colleges in the region. Third thing, the campus, which is very excellent, which provides me opportunities to follow my hobbies along with my studies. Thank you.
Heartiest wishes everyone. This is Ars Katia from 2019. I am pursuing my second year from Hind Institute of Medical Sciences, Sitapur. If one asks me why you have chosen this college in your NEET UG counseling, then I would definitely say that from tremendous infrastructure to the world-class gold standard faculty, or from the patient occupancies to its great reputation in Uttar Pradesh, it was a reason most of us have chosen this college. And believe me, it's since 2019 I am here and I am witnessing a great support from a teacher and mentor. And at the last, it's about the name, fame and the career. And I would say definitely I can.
Hello everyone, I am Ruba Nas, a student of 2019 batch at Hind Institute of Medical Sciences, Sitapur. So the place you are watching right now is our central library situated in the admin block. It holds almost 11,850 medical books and 88 Indian and international journals. The librarians here are well qualified and very helpful to us. It is very spacious and has a computer lab which holds prep letter subscription for our PG preparations. We also have our newspaper reading section and has very comfortable seating capacity.
Hello friends and all the NEET aspirants here. I am Rav Verma of second year of Hind Institute of Medical Sciences 19 batch. So here we are having a well facilitated and integrated LT system where the teachers teaches the students all types of subjects. We have integrated smart classrooms that help teachers for developing and meeting the new teaching skills and from helping the children to reach and tell the latest information and the medical knowledge they require. Also, our LTs are integrated with the ACs that helps the students in allowing the conformity according to all the seasons of the year and helping them studying in the comfort zone.
Hello everyone. I'm standing in the OPD block of our prestigious college, and right behind me is the reception for the OPD and IPD section. This wide-ranging block consists of all the major and minor departments, including the Department of Medicine, Surgery, Obstetric and Gynecology, Pediatrics, Orthopedics, Ophthalmology, ENT, Derma, Psychiatry, and even Dentistry too, with all the departments having their own wards, and these departments are a collection of intelligence with our beloved teacher being a blessing to this healthcare. Along with this, we have a radiology department with the facility of X-ray, CT scan, MRI scan, and ultrasonography. A complete blood collection unit, an OT complex for various surgeries, and ICU facility. Apart from this, we have a 24/7 emergency unit, a separate dialysis unit in the same block. A boon to this place has been the Ayushman Bharat Abhiyan, where the patients are given liberty over the expensive cost of healthcare facility and even the medication cost being covered too. Even in the time of COVID-19 infection, our institute served all with a separate COVID ward. Ours is the only institute, a tertiary care unit in this diameter of 50 kilometers. Thank you.
क्योंकि हमारा कॉलेज इस 50 किलोमीटर के दायरे में एकमात्र टर्शरी केयर सेंटर है, इसीलिए जितना हमें पेशेंट से इंटरेक्ट करने का मौका मिलता है उतना किसी भी कॉलेज में हमें नहीं मिलेगा।
Hind Institute of Medical Sciences is a specialized trauma care center. We have a total number of 750 beds and about 500 outpatients that are treated every day. So we have an ample number of patients that come here every day.
After a hectic schedule of whole day in the class, there is a great platform and facilities of sports at HIMS Sitapur. We organize almost every game in our annual sport fest, which includes football, cricket, badminton, squash, basketball, which gives an ultimate platform for the students to show their skills in game as well, apart from the academics. Apart from these sites are flooded with the lights and have more facilities.
For me, the day without workout is an incomplete day, so our college has well-equipped gymnasium to start an energetic day.
हेलो एवरीवन, ये हमारा हिंद बॉयज हॉस्टल है। यहाँ पे ट्रिपल शेयरिंग में रूम के साथ में बाथरूम अटैच्ड है, जहाँ पे डेली आपके कहने पे सफाई करने वाले सफाई कर जाते हैं। यहाँ साफ़ सफाई का हिंद बॉयज हॉस्टल में बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखा जाता है। यहाँ पे पढ़ने के लिए एक अलग से रीडिंग रूम आपको दिया गया है। हिंद बॉयज हॉस्टल में आपको हमेशा शांति मिलेगी, साफ़ सफाई का यहाँ पे पूरा ध्यान रखा जाता है।
Hello, this is Nehal Makde from batch 2020. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. So previously my seniors and fellow batchmates must have told you about how to choose this college, why to choose this college, college infrastructure and hospital condition. But one of the major question of concern while choosing a college is its accommodation facilities. But you don't have to worry about it at HIMS Institute of Medical Sciences. At HIMS, we provide both a hostel for males and females, and this is our girls' hostel. This hostel comprises of 4 floors with 35 rooms on each floor. The room size is 9 by 3.6 meters. The rooms are well built, well ventilated and spacious enough for 3 people to live. Tri-occupancy is our institutional rule. The warden here treats us no less than her own children. A female guard is always present in hostel premises for the purpose of female security. Now let me tell you something interesting. This hostel also provides us a free Wi-Fi 24/7. This free Wi-Fi is for educational, intellectual and communicational enhancement, for our entertainment purpose. Oh, how can I forget about my dear seniors? They are really friendly and helpful. The environment here is calming, relaxing and yet cheerful. We live here freely in an anti-ragging environment, and believe it or not, this is a home away from home for me.
At last, we will conclude our campus tour by thanking our respected chairperson Dr. A.K. Sachan sir and Dr. Richa Mishra ma'am for building the two campuses of Hind Institute of Medical Sciences Sitapur and the sibling campus Hind Institute of Medical Sciences Barabanki for the medical education deprived students of Uttar Pradesh, because of which we are able to become not only doctors but good doctors. Thank you.